Hi there, Amir. Let's take a look at your new essays today. The first one is a formal letter, so let's see what you did with this. Dear sir, I'm writing to express my interest for the summer job vacancy at your esteemed company. My name is Amir Mohammed Magdi. I'm working as a planning manager for KEO International Consultants for the past 5 years. All right, let's change a couple of things. First of all, unless it's an informal letter, which this is not, you want to avoid contractions in all of your IELTS writing. So no I'm, no I'm. It should be I am, written fully out. And the same thing is true for your task 2. Don't write contractions. So that's the first thing. The second thing is your tense here is incorrect. It's not I am working for the past 5 years. It's I have been working. Okay? So just those things right there. Okay, moving on. I would like to draw your kind attention to the fact that I am particularly interested in the claims manager position as it best fits my set of skills and experience. I don't know about this. First of all, I don't know that I like it in its own paragraph. Second of all, I think it probably belonged up here. Let's see, how. I am writing to express my interest for the summer job vacancy at your esteemed company. Specifically, I am interested in the claims manager position as it best fits my skills and experience. My name is da-da-da, and I have been doing this. You could have done it like that. I mean, there are other ways, of course, you could have done it. It's just one suggestion. But I don't think I really care for it here where you have it in its own little paragraph. Okay. I am a qualified professional civil engineer with over 12 years of experience, mostly gained in site-based projects. You didn't need a semicolon here. A comma would have been fine. I've been exposed to a variety of projects. For example, I was involved in industrial projects for 3 years in Al Ain, 5 years of residential projects in Abu Dhabi, and I am currently working in the esteemed Expo 2020 project in Dubai worth 1.5 million dirhams. Okay. On top of that, I have a vast experience in claims preparation and management, extension of time response and assessment, and I'm very well versed with Primavera P6 computer application, in which is necessary for the claims management procedure. Okay. This is not the kind of level I would like, especially in a formal letter. So instead of on top of that, let's say additionally or furthermore, okay? It just sounds a little too conversational for this type of letter. And then it's not a vast experience, it's just vast experience. You didn't need to capitalize extension. And again, no contraction here. So I have vast experience in claims preparation management, extension of time response and assessment. And I am very well versed with Primavera, blah, 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 which is necessary, not in which. You didn't want this in. Should you have any inquiries, please let me know. Looking forward to hearing from you. Yours faithfully. Okay. This is a little sudden for me. Okay? So what I really would like, there are a couple of things. Let's see. Did you introduce yourself? Yes. Did you guess? And you, yes. Okay, fine. So, like I said, this is a little sudden for me. So what I would have liked is, I am eager to discuss with you the summer vacancy position at your company. I am available at any time for an interview. Should you have any inquiries, please let me know. Okay, so, like I said, it was just a little too sudden. After that, the F in faithfully does not need to be capitalized, so keep it lowercase. Just capitalize the yours, and you don't need a full stop at the end of your name. All right? So, nice job overall. Just some little errors and some little problems, but nothing too serious. Let's take a look at your task 2. Okay. Pollution. What are the reasons? How can this be solved? Let's see what you said here. In this era, pollution has become one of the most critical issues that endangers our world, especially in large metropolitan cities. The reasons for this unhealthy problem are plenty, but we can consider air contamination is regarded How about this? We can consider air contamination as the major driver without this here for environment pollution. In this essay, I will discuss the reasons for air contamination and potential solutions for this dilemma, okay? To start with, we need to acknowledge that polluted air is a clear danger to all species on the planet. For example, gas emissions resulting, ing, from cars and factories have disfigured our ecosystem for good. Not really disfigured. It's the wrong word. They have tainted, they have, I don't know, contaminated something. They have influence, I'm not really sure, but a different word, not disfigured. As a result, the infamous exorbitant rates of carbon dioxide have evidently caused the infamous phenomena of global warming. I don't like infamous in either place here. Exorbitant rates was fine, but definitely not infamous, okay? Consequently, such an unpleasant case needs to be treated with utmost restriction from all those who are in charge. So, this is for me is a little underdeveloped, okay? Gas emissions from cars and factories have affected our ecosystem. Therefore, we have global warming. So it's a little underdeveloped, okay? You needed to go into a little more detail. Why is this a problem, particularly in large cities? All right. Was there anything else you could have talked about besides just emissions from gas and from factories? Was there anything else you could have talked about? So again, it's just a little underdeveloped. Let's take a look at the next paragraph. To elaborate further, governments should act promptly to alleviate the effect of air pollution. The BBC network has published a recent report about the effect of gas emissions in China. The Chinese government has put in new legislation to suspend all coal factories from operating in inhabited areas. Hence, it is obvious that authorities are the main contributor for the resolution of the air pollution issue. A certain level of collaboration needs to be had. A level, I'm not really sure about the verb here. How about this? A certain level of collaboration is required between all ministries and local authorities, no comma, to minimize the effect of air contamination on the public health and environment. All right, that's fine. Okay. To conclude, pollution is a major challenge for our environment. I strongly believe that governments can put more efforts to reduce the impact of undesired gas emissions, so eventually our ecosystem may revert to its original state. All right, that's fine. So some little problems here, particularly with your first body paragraph. Like I said, it was a little underdeveloped. Other than that, it was a nice job, okay? So, Amir, now what you need to do is you need to correct these essays, add the errors to your error correction list, and send everything back to us with your next set of essays, okay? I'm here. I'm waiting to see what you write next, so I'll let you get to that. Good luck with your next writing assignment.